What is up mga paps and welcome back. For today's video is ituturukan po sa inyo kung paano nga ba ma-fix or masosolusyonan yung GCash issue na we're verifying your account. Ginawa ko yung video na ito dahil alam ko hanggang ngayon marami pa rin yung nakaka-encounter ng ganitong problema. Kung saan lumagpas na ng 3 working days and still hindi pa rin na-full verify yung kanilang GCash account. Or wala pa rin silang update about sa application for full verification ng kanilang GCash. For your information, meron na po ang uploaded videos about this tutorial and may nababasa pa akong comment from those videos na may nag-iba nga sa GCash Help Center website. So I decided to make this video para i-update kayo. But before we continue this tutorial mga paps, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated for more videos like this. And without further ado, tara, simulan natin to. So ngayon mga paps, dalawang method po yung ituturo ko sa inyo. First po is punta lang tayo sa Chrome. Then dito po search lang natin yung GCash Help Center. Then go lang natin. Then punta lang tayo dito sa GCash Help Center. Then dito po sa type a keyword to find articles, click lang natin yan. Then search natin yung my GCash is still not verified. Yan. Check lang natin. Then search lang natin yan. Then dito hanapin natin yung ito. My GCash account is still not verified after 3 days. What do I do? Click natin yan. Then mabasa natin dito. We aim to review verifications within 3 days. If you still see we're verifying your account as the status of your verification after more than 3 days and you haven't received any update about your verification, please check your profile in app if you need to submit more documents. Ngayon, para malaman nyo kung hinihingaan kayo ng additional documents, punta lang kayo sa profile, then verify now, then click nyo yung continue verification. Then yung next step, send the additional documents that were requested within 10 days. So kailangan nyo po ma-send within 10 days yung inyong additional documents. Then once na-submit nyo na yung additional documents, is kailangan nyo pong mag-expect ng response from GCash within the next 4 days. So i-update niya po kayo within the next 4 days. Once again mga paps, reminder lang ulit, yung step po niyan is para lang dun sa mga hinihingian ng additional documents. Pero kung hindi naman kayo hinihingian ng additional documents, itong step sa baba yung susundan natin. Mababasa dito, if you were not asked to submit additional documents and haven't received any update after 3 days, click here to follow up on your verification. So click natin yan. Then mararedirect po tayo dun sa submit a ticket. Dito nga po is may form lang tayo na fill outan. Dito po is ilalagay lang natin yung email address natin na registered sa ating GCash. Then next po is yung GCash registered full name natin. Then select lang natin yung country kung saan tayo nakapag-register ng GCash account. Then lagay lang din natin dito yung ating GCash mobile number. Then dito naman sa your account type, select lang natin dito yung Filipino citizen, 18 years old above with PH SIM. Dito naman sa where you advised to submit additional documents, select natin dito yung no. Then dito po sa date of last KYC attempt, piliin lang natin dito yung beyond 3 days. Then click lang natin tong box para ma-check, screenshot of transaction or error prompt. Then dito po sa please share what happened or add other information about your concern, pwede nating ilagay dito yung ganito. Hi GCash, I just want to get any update about my application for the verification of my account because it's already beyond 3 days and my GCash account is still not yet being verified. Please help me to fix it. Thank you. So, pwede nyong gayahin yan or i-copy yan mga paps or pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong message. It's up to you mga paps. Ngayon, after that mga paps, punta na tayo dito sa upload a photo or attachment that can help us assist you with your concern. Dito naman po is i-add natin or i-attach natin dito yung screenshot ng issue, which is yung ganito. Yan po yung i-add natin dito. After po natin ma-attach yung file na yon, click lang natin tong submit. Then after nyo pong makapag-submit ng ticket mga paps, need nyo lang i-monitor yung inyong Gmail. Dahil dun po mag-response si GCash para i-update kayo about sa status ng inyong concern. And i-assist po nila kayo para ma-full verify na ang inyong GCash account. And ganun lang naman po yung paraan para ma-follow up yung ganitong issue. And siguro hanggang dito lang po ang video na ito. Sana nakatulong. Have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.